Hey friends, we got our hands on Huawei's latest paper-expanding version of the Pure X View, which is also the world's first paper-expanding version. Let's unbox it and take a look. You can tell from this box that its proportions are quite different from other boxes. It's wider, while other boxes are usually long and narrow. Wow, the proportions are amazing. Holding it in my hand for the first time is truly magical. The back panel is somewhat reminiscent of the design of the PRX Max, where one side is simply detached, the same design language. The camera module layout is also the same. When I first held it, the edges were all glossy, with virtually no matte elements, so it felt like it might attract fingerprints. However, it's incredibly lightweight. The launch event stated it only weighs 201 grams. Placed on such a wide body, it really feels like a toy model, incredibly light and not particularly thick. The feel isn't exceptionally good, but it's quite amazing because this is the first time I've seen a phone with this proportions. Let's turn it on and check out the display. Now that it's powered on, let's take a look at what it comes with. This is a 66W charger. Considering its size, it's basically a standalone charger. It's very small and light. The 66W is great. The bezels are also very narrow. The viewing experience is excellent. Then, we compared it with a Samsung foldable phone. The aspect ratio of the Samsung screen is very close to this one. It's like a proportional enlargement, giving it a mini tablet feel. We also previously photographed an Apple foldable screen, which is just a screen protector. Its aspect ratio is wider and lower, even resembling a half-flat screen. Huawei's screen is much larger than Apple's. Let's take a look. Okay, now we're on the desktop. Let's show you the aspect ratios when watching different media on various software. First, let's open Bilibili and look at a 16:9 video. You can see it's almost full size. Then, I have my previous Oppo Pad Mini. You can see that the top and bottom bezels are larger than those on this X View. This means the immersion is stronger. Okay, if it's a regular candy bar phone, you can see the bezels on both sides are even larger than this one, right? Huawei PX6, the immersion is even stronger than that of a small tablet. Can you handle that? As you can see from the different aspect ratios, this really exceeded my expectations. The experience is truly excellent. Okay, let's look at this next. Regular candy bar phones are generally better at displaying short videos in portrait mode, but you'll find that the Huawei PX6 can also fill the screen. It seems they've done a slight scaling, removing the black borders on the sides. See, the Huawei fills the entire screen. There are no black borders at the top or bottom. Well, this one has a slight black border, but overall it fills the space well and doesn't have an exaggeratedly large black border. This experience is quite surprising. Huawei has optimized the media experience for both horizontal and vertical screens to the extreme. This is really well done.